What's up, YouTube? It's Boomatic back at it with another video. And this one, I take a visit to ACI. They had a car meet, and I get to see a 911 turbo Porsche dyno. Also, they had McLarens, Lambos, all carbon fiber GTR. That's big money. But a cool meet. You know, a nice little Friday night. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Boomatic Cars. Please share. Hit that notification bell. And hoping to be at 1,000. Maybe next year. I don't know. 5,000. I don't know. We're going to just keep it going. I'm going to keep pushing out this car content and worry about the numbers later. All right. Thanks for watching.
That's pretty good for stock.
500.
463.
That's great for stock.
Yeah, so the turbos are down there. They're upgraded turbos. They're all the way at the bottom, but they're bigger than factory. It's built. I just added this oil catch can, and this is the intercooler pipe, and it goes all the way down, and the intercooler comes all the way up here. Thanks, man.
Oh my God.
So, they do what? They did some dyno pools yet?
Yeah, they're doing it. You gotta go.
Yeah.
I guess you gotta take the car back there if you want it. But
yeah. Anything crazy? You know anything that made any crazy power?
Nah, I'm just chilling out here.
Oh, okay.
body on this thing
Oh,
is
that's
yo.
sick. That's nasty. Look at those back hips. That is nuts. That is dope. Look at the hips on this. Crazy. Like 10 inches of hip. With the duckbill trunk. Yo, the wheels are good too. It must be on airbags, the air suspension. I like the color of this one. I'm a sucker for the blue cars. Oh man. Yo, this is a dope show. We gotta do a review on your i8.
Oh yeah, man. Whenever you're ready, man.
Okay. Get that review for you guys.
Oh man.
Oh, this is. I like the color. I'm a sucker for the color, yo. Yo, what do you got, like a fog machine?
Got the fog joints in it.
Oh, that's dope.
That's just shit.
That is dope. Yo, that is nasty. That is nasty.
Stop putting that shit up.
That is nasty. I had cars that smoked, but it was never a good thing.
You know what I'm saying?
Radiator gone. Oh, that is dope.